No, it's a 6-inch extension.
Did you lose another tool in the engine compartment?
In a 20-inch hole. It's gone.
It's a 5-inch extension.
Oh my God. Go. We gotta go get the camera. I can't take my hand off this fucking thing or that gas is gonna go. Okay, wait, you gotta just hold it. Oh. Wait, I found something. Wait, see it? Oh my God.
Yeah.
You see it?
No, but
Oh my God, you guys.
like seeing it is half the, not even half the battle.
It's right there. Oh my God.
Do you need your grabber?
Yeah.
Oh God, yes. It can't go into the engine.
Right?
Oh yeah, magnet.
No.
Yeah, the magnet, the one with the light. Fuck, I see it now.
Don't drop the freaking magnet down there.
God, it's not in there.
That's like our 6th freaking tool.
This is fucking mental. There's something wrong with it.
It's like a fucking black hole.
I did it on purpose.
I did it on purpose.
He just literally just threw it down.
Okay. Drop it. It looked like.
Oh, fuck you guys. Why don't it
Oh my God. Oh.
Is it not magnetic?
You need the grabber
The
now?
good thing is everything else in there is aluminum.
Yeah.
The only thing shit
let me
sticks
try
to are our tools.
Okay, hold that out of my way, Ronnie. Yeah. Alright, there you go. Okay. No. Oh. Oh. How did that get down there? What the frig, man? Alright, I'm going in for the other 9 tools. Okay.